Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Let's move towards our another activity. Two circles are made and the bigger round one shape is joined to with it and the ears are made. Now it's time to make the rest of the body of this dog. It's a pet dog. You can see how we have made this and don't forget to make a cute little curvier tail. We will now move further towards another activity. For this one, again, we are directly making use of this red marker. We are making some of the curves and the fin areas. Now you just have to make the rest of the features like that are similar to the crab. It's so good and so easy. Definitely give this one a try. It's very less time consuming activity. We will now move further with our another activity. You just have to make these V-shaped lines and then we are joining them together with a curvier one and then the triangular ears are made. The rest of the body is also made. This is again very simple, very suitable for the small kids. Let's move towards our another activity. Try to make this dolphin. For this one, you just have to make the long, elongated body of the dolphin by tracing down the line similar to the C alphabet. We will now move towards our another activity. For this one, you just have to make some of the lines from both the opposite directions equally, and then you just have to make the body of this man. You just have to add some of the droplets from the upper portion, and then you just have to make the ears. This is very good and very easy. Definitely give this one a try. Let's move further with our another activity. You can see how some of the curves are to be created and the eyes are to be made. The rest of the features of the body are also added. It's just a cute little dog that we have made in just few seconds. We will now move further towards our another activity. You just have to draw the S alphabet twice and you just have to join them together from both the ends. You just have to make the number 3 in the opposite direction from the left side and then you just have to add the facial features of these cute little cats. Don't forget to make the two tails. For this one, you just have to again make some of the curvier lines as apparent here. One after the another, we are building the each step properly. Pause the video and follow the each step in a sequential manner so that you will be able to make it perfectly. It's going to represent a polar bear or you can say a snow bear. We will now move further towards another activity. You just have to trace down the number 200, that's a 200. Over the two zeros, you just have to make a bigger zero, that's a bigger round shape. Then the triangles too are representing the ears, whiskers are made, rest of the body is joined together, and the tail is also added. It's going to represent a kitty. We will now move further towards our another activity. You just have to trace on the number 3 and then you just have to build the long ears, the facial features of this bunny, and after that the paws are made, the tail is made and it's drinking some of the fluids, some of the juice. It looks so cute and easy. Give a tint over the ears and the cheeks area. This looks so nice. We will now move further towards another activity. For this one, you just have to make the outline of the circle using the coin as a stencil. After that, you just have to make the heart shape at the center. Then the lines are again made. You just have to add some of the facial page features for the circles that you have already made. These are half circles, not the complete one. Then fill it with some of the bright colors like the heart is to be filled with the red and the tint is given around the cheek area of both. Let's move further towards our another activity. First, you just have to trace down the number 6 over which you are going to build the whole rat. This is the cute creature that we are going to make, yet the mischievous one. Don't forget to add the whiskers. Thank you for watching.